Hello everyone, and welcome to Babylon Leather's official channel. Today, we'll be crafting a veg-tanned shoulder bag. After completion, this is what your leather bag looks like. First, check all the materials based on the video. If there is no problem, you can start making this. Get these two leather materials. Measure the thread to be 4 times the length of the sewn part, then cut it. Each time, you can measure a bit more thread to ensure that there is more than enough available. I'll randomly pick 2 pieces of leather to demonstrate for everyone. Now we start to sew this row of pinholes. Measure the thread 4 times the length of the sewn part, then cut it off. Each time, you can measure the thread a little more to ensure that there is more than enough thread available. Before using the thread, straighten it out like this, making sure it's smooth and untangled. Thread the needles. Pass the thread through the needle eye, then pull out a section. Let the needle point to pierce the thread. Pull it tight. Now it is done. Thread the other needle in the same way. Start sewing. Let the first needle pass through the first pinhole. Pull the 2 threads, keep them in the same length. Then, thread 2 needles through the second pinholes separately, and pull them tight. This called double needle stitching method. Don't miss any pinhole. Don't pierce the thread. After passing each needle through, make sure to pull it tight diagonally to the rear. Then, the other needle needs to pass through from the front of the thread. You can pull it diagonally to the left or right rear side. Both ways will work. The key is to maintain the same direction. In this way, the stitches will be neat. After sewing up each stitch, pull it tight. Finally, make 2 or 3 backstitches to reinforce it. Now let both needles on the material's back side. Cut the thread leaving a 3 mm end. Burn off the thread ends with a lighter. Burn off the thread end slowly like this. Don't burn the leather material. The reinforced stitches have overlapping thread. It looks not good. To adjust it, use a awl like this. Let's check the sewn up effect. The sewing tips introduction is completed. Now, let's proceed with the sewing. Align both materials with their front sides facing up. Align the pinholes. Align the first pinhole of the small material to the second pinhole of the bag body. Start sewing from the first pinhole and sew the body material separately. Then keep sewing all the remaining pinholes. After sewing, secure the thread at the back. Take a look at the result after sewing. Get the side pieces and the small materials. Measure a thread 6 times the circumference of the pinholes, and then thread the needles. Take the square buckle hardware, assemble it like this, making sure to hide the interface of the square buckle inside. Secure it with a clip. Then align it with the side piece according to the pinholes. Start sewing by using the method taught earlier, then sew up the whole circle. After sewing, secure the thread at the back. Take a look at the result after sewing. Use the same method to sew the other one. Align the first pinhole of the side piece material with the second pinhole of the body material. The two materials are placed with their inner sides facing each other. Secure them with a clip. Then, start sewing using the method taught earlier, and proceed with regular sewing for the entire circle. When reaching the corner, you can align the pinholes by hand first for better stitching. After sewing all the pinholes, take one of the needles and loop the thread around it twice like this. After sewing, secure the thread on the side. Take a look at the result after sewing. Use the same method to sew the other one. Take a look at the result after both sides have been sewn. Then, take the small piece of leather and install the hardware as shown. Then, press and flatten it firmly. Check the result after it's properly installed. Then, fold it in half like this. Align it with the pinholes on the body of the bag, then take the small screw and tighten it like this. Then, cover the bag lid and tidy up the bag shape like this. Next, take this hardware and position it with the buckle side facing up and to the left. Be careful not to place it incorrectly. Next, take the short shoulder strap. Combine them together like this. Align the pinholes and tighten the screw. Make sure to place the screw cap on the front side. Take a look at the result after sewing. Next, take this end of the long shoulder strap and assemble it like this. Adjust the length to your liking here. Then, install the two ends of the shoulder strap onto the body of the bag like this, and tighten the screws. Take a look at the result. Use the same method to sew the other side. Congratulations! Your bag is now complete. Do you feel a sense of accomplishment? Next, I introduce this bag. We use Italian vegetable tan leather. The leather is on the hard side, will slowly become softer with use. You can see that there will be some texture on the surface of the leather, which is precisely the characteristics of genuine leather, because cattle in the growth process is inevitable. Appreciate your choice of Babylon leather. Thank you for choosing us. Wishing you the acquisition of valuable skills during your time here. If you enjoy our videos, remember to like, comment, and retweet. For more details about this bag, visit the link provided in the profile.